Hi everybody, my name is Katie Shepard and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist at the IU Health Center. First off, I just want to say welcome back to IU for the start of the fall 2020 semester. We're in unprecedented times and I just want to wish everybody a safe, healthy, happy, productive learning environment for this fall semester, whether you're back here in Bloomington or learning remotely. As a dietitian nutritionist, I love recipes that are not only healthy, but are also just easy to prepare using simple, everyday ingredients. Since it's August and it's still so hot and humid out, I thought it would be really fun today to create a smoothie bowl recipe. I love to make this with whatever fruit I have on hand, and it's just really refreshing and hydrated and loaded with vitamins and minerals and all sorts of good nutrition. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to get started, I've got my frozen fruit here. Here I've got some strawberries, and we're going to add in one frozen banana. I've got two in here, so I'm just going to add one. Bananas do take a few hours to freeze, so you'll want to do that ahead of time. And then here I have some wild blueberries. These are like the really tiny kind of blueberries. They're like little teeny tiny. And I like to use these for smoothies or smoothie bowls because they just make it really, like the color's just really, really vibrant. So we'll put those in there. And then we're going to add a splash of milk. I just have regular 1% milk here, but you could use, any kind of milk that you like. Now, if you were making a regular smoothie, you would use quite a bit of milk, but since this is going to be a smoothie bowl, I want it to be kind of thick and creamy, so I'm probably just going to add like a couple of tablespoons. Hope that's not too much. Okay, so now we will whip it up and see what happens. Okay. All right, so we blended all of that up, and it kind of looks like this. It almost looks like a frozen kind of ice cream treat, but it's just the fruit and the milk. So now we're going to add our smoothie bowl toppings. So I like to add just like kind of whatever I put, the fruits that I put in there. So I've got some sliced strawberries and banana and blueberries. And then I'm going to sprinkle on some shredded coconut and cacao nibs. Now cacao nibs are kind of fun. They're just like the cocoa bean, just kind of chopped up, but there's no sugar or any other, it's just plain chocolate. So it does have kind of a bitter taste to it, but I think it blends really nicely with all of the different fruits. And there you have it. There's my smoothie bowl. And this is so versatile, right? Like you could do any kind of fruit that you have on hand. And the toppings are pretty much endless. You could do nuts or granola or chocolate chips. I love to actually make this dish. It's just like a fun summertime dessert, but it would also make like a great snack to have, in between meals if you've got a long stretch between classes, or you could even do it as like a quick and easy breakfast. So, and let me grab a spoon here. I just want to give it a taste. All right. It's really super good. I really love those cacao nibs in there because it gives you that chocolatey flavor, and also a little bit of crunch. So thank you so much for tuning into my video. I am working from home all semester. We are still offering nutrition counseling appointments via virtually. So you can sign up for those online or call the regular appointment line just how you normally would. If you have any kind of nutrition concerns or just want to chat about healthy eating, the dietitians at the IU Health Center are going to be there for you. Thank you, and I hope to come in another couple of weeks with another video. Okay, bye-bye.